Today I am reviewing the NordicTrack T series. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the unboxing and build quality. This is a solid, heavy machine, which is exactly what you want for safety, but you will definitely want a second pair of hands to help move the box and assemble it. Once it is set up, the physical footprint is surprisingly manageable. The standout physical feature for me has been the SpaceSaver design. I live in an apartment where space is at a premium, and the folding frame on this treadmill is a lifesaver. When I am done with a workout, I just lift the deck up, and it locks securely into place. When I am ready to use it again, I just press the foot bar underneath, and the assisted lowering system takes over, dropping the deck down slowly and smoothly to the floor without me having to hold it or worry about it slamming down. When it comes to the actual workout experience, the deck comfort is outstanding. NordicTrack uses something called KeyFlex Cushioning on this model, and you can absolutely feel the difference if you are used to running on concrete or on cheaper, stiffer treadmills. It provides a noticeable amount of give that absorbs the shock of each foot strike. As someone who used to get minor knee and ankle fatigue after long runs, I have noticed a huge reduction in joint soreness since switching to this machine. The performance specs are perfect for the average home user. It goes from 0 up to 10 miles per hour, and it has a 0 to 10% incline range. 10 miles per hour is roughly a 6-minute mile pace, which is more than fast enough for intense interval training, sprinting, and endurance building. The motorized incline changes are smooth and relatively quiet, which is great because it means I do not have to pause my workout to manually adjust the deck. Now let us talk about the console and technology, because this is where the treadmill gets really interesting and where you need to pay close attention to how you like to work out. The built-in screen is a simple 5-inch LCD display. It is very clear, easy to read, and tracks all your basic stats like time, distance, speed, calories, and incline. However, this treadmill is truly designed to be used with your own tablet or smartphone. There is a sturdy device shelf right above the console. When you place your tablet there and connect it via Bluetooth to the iFIT app, the treadmill transforms into a completely different machine. The iFIT integration is incredibly cool, but you do need to know that it requires a paid Train membership to unlock its best features. If you choose to use it, the trainer-led workouts are amazing. You can choose from thousands of global workouts where a trainer runs through beautiful locations like the Swiss Alps or the beaches of Hawaii. The best part is the automatic trainer control. As the trainer goes up a hill on the screen, your treadmill automatically increases its incline to match the terrain. If the trainer speeds up, your treadmill speeds up. You do not have to touch a single button, which allows you to completely lose yourself in the workout. It also features something called SmartAdjust, which tracks your workout history. If the trainer's pace is a bit too fast for you and you manually lower the speed, the app remembers that and automatically scales the rest of the workout down to match your current fitness level, then gradually challenges you more as you get stronger over the weeks. Another high-tech feature is the ActivePulse heart rate control. If you connect a compatible Bluetooth heart rate monitor, the treadmill will automatically adjust your speed and incline on the fly to keep you precisely within your target heart rate zone. It takes all the guesswork out of cardio. On top of that, the app lets you sync your workout data directly to platforms like Strava, Garmin, and Apple Health, which is fantastic if you like keeping all your fitness metrics in one place. They have even added an iFIT AI coach feature where you can text an AI via SMS to get personalized workout plans and recovery tips, and it will actually load your next custom workout directly onto your machine's home screen. However, if there is one critique I have, it is that without the iFIT membership, the treadmill becomes a much more basic machine. You can absolutely use it in manual mode without a subscription, and it still functions beautifully as a high-quality, cushioned treadmill where you control the speed and incline yourself. But to get the full, smart, immersive experience, you have to factor the ongoing membership cost into your budget. Overall, if you are looking for a reliable, comfortable, and space-saving treadmill for walking, jogging, or running at home, the NordicTrack T 6.5S is an exceptional choice. The cushioning protects your joints, the folding mechanism is incredibly convenient for small spaces, and the smart features offer an elite, interactive training experience that keeps you motivated day after day. It is a fantastic investment in your health that genuinely delivers on its promises.